thanks to the Marshall Plan of the late 1940s, whereby surplus US Jeeps, produce such as this, GMCs, etc., were supplied to the beleaguered European armies. Trying to get them re-established and help them rearm themselves, prepare for a potential future conflict. And then once they came out of military service, they quite often went into the likes of the French fire brigade. So Jeeps, Fordson and GMCs were often seen painted by the 50s, 60s, 70s. Fordson. Love to see that on banks and tractors and stuff, but I love classic vehicle shows. Quite often powered by the hugely successful every re-engined Tower Perkins 40.